Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Apple MacBook repair, specifically focusing on screen replacements. So, let's get started. First things first, it's essential to understand that the cost of a MacBook screen replacement can vary depending on the model and year of your device. For instance, if you're dealing with a 2015 MacBook Pro, you're looking at a price tag of around $400. However, if you're rocking a 2016 MacBook Pro, the cost jumps to $600. And if you're using a 2017 MacBook Pro, you're looking at a whopping $700. Now, let's talk about the 2018 MacBook Pro. If you're experiencing issues with the screen, you're looking at a hefty $800 price tag. But fear not, because we've got you covered. Our team of skilled technicians is here to help you get your MacBook back in tip-top shape. Remember, when it comes to screen replacements, it's always best to consult a professional. They'll be able to assess the damage and provide you with an accurate estimate of the cost. Plus, they'll be able to handle the repair in a safe and efficient manner. So, if you're experiencing any issues with your MacBook screen, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you keep your device running smoothly and looking great. Thank you for tuning in today, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay tech savvy.